Thirikari kuga NYS ni bobakae jagwangugi chia thirikari bareba mbere.
And to give comfort to the many young people enrolled and those considering enrollment, I am enhancing the path to the discipline services.
Aritoa ba Meru University kuandamana bakenda visi wao achokua ngugine.
We are here today.
Yes.
We are demonstrating.
Yes.
We have suspended peace.
Yes.
Until we see our VC back into the office.
Yes.
Nabo aremi kibiritia kwa mbere gikundi kia aremi bambeniko.
We na revival ene mono yokuria bambeniko na chiena mbe chinjaga mono pa kilo tontu bo batwe twe Kimbo Farmers twambirite nasari aja kwa society area tukumithia mbeniko.
Kuma aja nyumba ya Meru TV ya NTETO muchene munene jua county ya Meru mwanka aria kundiori hijine NTETO chia Meru TV utuko bwana rwa nimbetagwo Nancy Ndogo. Tukiambiria ni ati mutongeria wa Nthiguru Daktari William Samoei Ruto na thite ndwangi mwanya chia o minister thirikari-ini yawe kwenjana mbeo mbithimba NYS kanya kambere bururiria bakurita twanya twangugi. Ruto augite untu bugikira wiru mbeo mbithimba ingi aja Kenya ni ubagatonya moritanine ja NYS baigwatire mataro ja kemuturire na jagukiria mugongo. Akiaria are Gilgil County Nakuru kagita kama mbraja gwikirwa thiro kwa makuruto ba NYS mukathiruto na kathite rwangirwo ni untu bwa kugwata njara na kuonjorithia iewa mwanya kirimbeo mbithi aja Kenya nongerete na kuria rwangirwa ruji na witoriri wa ruji batumira utea bwambeo mbithi ni ubaga kadam iti kwinamira igana rimwe o mwaka gukabanira na thina ya ruji na manto jangi kuruki nekite wirane bwa kuongera namba ya mbeo mbithi baria bakujokwa rungu rwa mubango jwa NYS ujokania bwijite.
We want to double the intake of young people joining the National Youth Service from every location in the Republic of Kenya as a mechanism of creating sufficient patriotism and giving opportunity to young people in rural areas who otherwise may not have the means or may not have the opportunity to be able to explore their talent and be able to get the necessary training and skills for them to make useful contribution to the development of our country. I have already had a conversation with the management of the National Youth Service. We have already agreed that the government of Kenya is going to provide agricultural machinery to support NYS agricultural sector for food production, to enhance self-reliance by NYS, and to support national food production as we seek for food self-reliance as a country. In recognition of the admirable role of the National Youth Service in anchoring youth contribution to national socio-economic transformation, and to give comfort to the many young people enrolled and those considering enrollment, I am enhancing the path to the discipline services by directing the Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Energy, Climate Change and Forestry, Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife and Heritage, as well as the Ministry of Interior and National Administration to allocate at least 30% of their vacancies to National Youth Servicemen and women. This should encourage and motivate many young Kenyans on their path to national service and national productivity. I have also instructed that the task force that is currently undertaking the terms and conditions of service of our policemen and the prisons service members This morning I have instructed an extension of 2 months be made available for the task force so that that task force can also include the National Youth Service, terms of service and conditions of service to ensure that the National Youth Service joins the other discipline forces in ensuring that the men and women who serve with dedication and commitment and sacrifice are considered in terms of their employment and terms of service.
Tunashukuru sana NYS. Tunashukuru sana.
Tugitana mbere nawe Minister munene aja Kenya Musalia Mudavadi narekete kumabak naria akurikanye ne kamutongeria wa Thiguru William Ruto kikarone kianan allied movement kwariria manto jakonie ogwati borea bwejaneria na mutumuko jua murimo jua COVID-19 Kruki Musalia na atumire kanya gaka kwarana na Kenya baria makaragana kuritango Thigurune ya Azerbaijan amwena kwaraniria onjorithia ba Azerbaijan baria bari na weru bwa kweja kuonjorithia aja Kenya.